Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, let me show you how to push code to GitHub. Now, once that you have set up your repository and you're able to get a clone of it, say for example that you're working on your project, and then say for example you create a new, a new file or something. Let's just go ahead and create a new text, my code, say for example like that. Doesn't have to be a .txt, it can be pretty much on anything. This code is not real. Really pretty much on anything that you want right there. But then, this is what our new code looks like. And as you can see, there is a discrepancy now in terms of our repository right here, where if we go on example, we don't have that mycode.txt. So for us to go ahead and add it in, we need to go ahead and push the code to GitHub or to our repository. So to do that, we need to go ahead once again and open up our terminal. Now, once that we are in the terminal, we can go ahead and do a git pull first. So this is very conventional, where we will go ahead and pull all of the code that everyone has been collaborated on. So this will solve any form of conflict and all of that. And then what I usually do is I call out git status short right here, which gives you an indication as to what is the difference between each one. So there is this one called mycode.txt, which we created earlier on, which is this one right here. So this exclamation mark means that it is not being tracked at the moment, and it means that if we're gonna add this into our code, we need to go ahead and add it. So let's just go ahead and git add, and then mycode.txt right there. Now if we go ahead and take a look at the status once again, we can see that we have a right here, which means that we have added that code already, and we are ready to go ahead and push that into our tutorial, into our repository. So now if we go ahead and go and call git push, then we should be able to see, oh wait, hang on, we need to commit this first. So we've added this, or we have tracked it. Now we need to go ahead and commit. Right here, you can usually add a message like added new txt file right there, and then just go ahead and click enter. And then if this hasn't been set up, then just go ahead and complete your identification first. Now if we go ahead and commit this once again, as you can see here, we have created this. Now we have connected this into our local repo, and then we can go ahead and send this to our GitHub by calling out git push. There you are, right there. Now if you take a look at your repo once again, then let's just go ahead and refresh this. Now you can see that our code.txt has been applied, and there you go. So just in short, what you would usually need to do is to call out git.pull, which pulls all of the changes from the repo itself, and then go ahead and add by tracking the code itself. So git.add, and then we would go into commit itself after some authentication, and then go ahead and push. So this will go ahead into your repository, and there you go. I hope that you have found this tutorial useful. See you guys next time.